Draining the hot water heater. First step, turn off the electricity. This is pretty easy. See how it says on, right side up. You can pull this out, flip it so it says off, right side up, in which case it would be off, or if you are not comfortable with that, you just leave it off altogether. Electricity is now off the hot water heater. Once the electricity is off, you drain the hot water heater. Do that through this hose that's coming out of the bottom. You can hear the water running. If you go out in the back above the septic tank, you could see the water running out. Also, need to drain, need to shut off the feed. This is the water coming in to the hot water heater, so that it'll drain, and then later we'll need to open it to drain it out again. So if we shut this down, we're not going to continue to be refilling the hot water heater while it's draining out.